Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new and welcome back if you're not. Today we are deep diving into a small Sephora haul. Last year about this time, I think it was in February, I shared the same collection. Well, it wasn't the same, but similar collection with different products in it. So this year I picked it up. It was the Sephora Favorites Perfect Pout Lip Kit. So it's $34 US. $46 Canadian. You're getting 3 full-size lip products plus 2 mini deluxe sizes. So I thought that was a steal of the deal. And you're getting a 5-piece set of curated lip balms, lipsticks, and lip liners that include full-size products from Rare Beauty, Charlotte Tilbury, and Glossier. So those are the 3 full-size products you're getting. What else you need to know? Create your new signature pout. This extra juicy set includes 5 gorgeous lip products, 3 full-size and 2 deluxe, assorted with a mix of balms, lipsticks, and lip liners. This set is curated with everything you need to keep your lips hydrated and lush. So I thought that was really, really nice. And they're saying this is $122 value all in total. So I will show you what the kit was like last year. It came with this little NARS NARS lippy. So it came in that color. So I'll just swatch it on my hand. It's like a brownie nudie kind of color. It's like a lip balm. Probably can't even see it. But that's what that came with last year. That was a deluxe mini size. And then it came with this Laneige, just lip product, I guess you put on. It's nothing, you're not going to be able to see it. It's just like lip conditioning mask. And then you did get a Rare Beauty lip liner. This was full size. So Selena Gomez's company. And this is okay. I don't normally use lip liners, but that's what that looks like. Okay, that was, and then I really loved these two. This was the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. So, and then this, sorry, this was the color. You can tell that I've been using it an awful lot. So I really, really love that one. And then I really like this Clinique one. So a lot of people don't like the Clinique one, but I really, really do. So it's right there. And then it's right here. So that was last year's bundle. And this is this year's. So, woohoo. So let's open it and see. So I was really, really happy to get this. I will put the video up of the last year's bundle so you can see it while I show it. But this I'm excited for. So, wow. Okay. So let's get into the descriptions of the lipsticks here. Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution Lipstick in Pillow Talk Medium, Warm Berry Pink full size. So I'm assuming this is Pillow Talk. So this is a really, really nice container. It's really heavy. And then that's the color. So I'll swatch it on my hand. So it's a pretty berry color. So that's the Charlotte Tilbury one. The Tart Maracuja Juicy Lip Plumper and Honeysuckle Black Cherry. This is the mini size. So, and we'll do a swatchy swatch of this. I put my lid in it. So, and it is a lip balm, so it's the second one here. So not too bad. And then the lip gloss I'm not going to do. It's the clearance, and you're getting like a teeny tiny little bit. Clarins is expensive. So Clarins, you're getting a Clarins Lip Comfort Hydrating Oil in pretty mini size. So that's really mini. And then you're getting the Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez. It's Kind Words Matte Lipstick in Humble Rose Mauve. And this is a really, really nice container. So, and then wow, that's neat. And then, oh, I love this color. So there's that color right there from Selena Gomez. And I love the packaging. Like, it just cool. And then the Glossier. So why do I not have the Glossier here? Okay, Glossier, that's their typical brand of packaging. Ultra High Shine Lipstick with Hyaluronic Acid in Villa Dusty Rose, and this is a full size. So, whew. And then it has, and then, so I like all these colors. Colors will go with any skin tone. And then there's that color. So that is the Sephora Favorites Perfect Pout Lip Kit. And you're getting 3 full-size formats, which is Glossier, Charlotte Tilbury, and Rare Beauty. And then you're getting 2 deluxe size samples, I guess. So that's pretty much it for my Sephora haul. So thank you very much for taking the time out to look at the Favorites Perfect Pout Lip Kit. Which one would you go for? Which one do you like the best out of this kit? I really, really love the Charlotte Tilbury because it's beautifully packaged and the color is really nice. And the Selena Gomez one. So I would never be able to try these. They're expensive when you don't buy them in a group. So anyways, I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Take care. Catch you on the flip side. Bye for now.